Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you saw my last video, you saw that I attended my very first beauty event. It was with Nubyen Beauty, and I have reviewed a number of their products, which I love, from their activewear to their lip products. And I was so excited to finally meet some of the people that I have been in contact with via email and social media and from my YouTube channel. And I had the best experience I could have asked for with my very first beauty event. It wasn't a huge event, so I didn't feel like I wasn't, a part of the actual event with the people that were hosting it. And it was in Beverly Hills, so it wasn't too far from where we live. It was in a beautiful spot, and Alfred's Tea Room. It's this like famous spot to get really delicious teas and coffees. And then afterwards, my husband and I just went and ate dinner on Rodeo Drive. It was super fun. And so I'll go ahead and leave the link to that blog type video down below. And if you want to check out some of the Nubyen products, I'll leave those links down there as well. And what I've been waiting for is to unbag my swag bag that I got. And so I'm going to show you guys right now. So here it is right here. Yes, I have kept it in the same bag with the cute balloons in it. So adorable. My kids want to play with these so bad, but now they can since I'm opening up the bag. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. So the first thing is this. Oh, look at this. It's such a cute hat. It says Cali Girl Cleanse. What an adorable hat. Honestly, this is like perfect for summer. You know what? I don't even know what Cali Girl Cleanse is. Maybe there's something else in here, but it's a super cute hat. It's got Velcro here on the back so I can adjust it. I'll adjust it now, and it has a cute little palm tree in the back. Oh, super duper cute. What do you think? I've never owned a pink hat before. I actually like it. All right. Here is a cute little tote bag that says Nubyen Beauty, Mindful Beauty. And here, I love that it's neutral. Definitely use this for the beach. When I take my kids to the park, I like to take little bags like this and separate like goodies and water or towels or extra pair of clothes. So this is very cute. Next, the 5-minute journal. How cute is this? It's a fabric covered journal, and it says here, it's cute. It says, if found, reward. That's cute. So it says the simplest, most effective thing you can do every day to be happier. Hi, Bubba. My daughter's in the background. So coincidentally, in the last few, months now, I have actually been looking at YouTube videos about gratitude and how to have more gratitude and practice more gratitude. What I've come across is a 5-minute journal, and lo and behold, I get a 5-minute journal in my swag bag. And so what the 5-minute journal is all about is that you spend 5 minutes of your day and you write down things that you are very thankful for, that you have the most gratitude for, and it's just on a daily basis. It could be big, it could be small, it could just be daily things that you're grateful for. I am super excited because I have never been into journaling. I have never kept a diary. I mean, when I was a teenager, I probably tried to keep a diary. I don't even know where that thing is, but I've never done like scrapbooking or anything like that. So this is going to be a true challenge for me. I am going to start doing the 5-minute journal. Is this something that you guys do? Please let me down below. Has it helped you? Do you have any tips and tricks? When do you usually write it? I would love to hear your thoughts about it. So next in here, I have a box that says Sunglass LA. And if these are really sunglasses, I'm going to be super excited because I love me some sunglasses. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So there's 2 pairs of glasses in here and 1 bag to tote them around in. Okay, so these glasses are not my norm, but that's okay because getting stuff like this, you get to try stuff out. Okay, so I know that these are like more in style right now. I still love myself some really big aviators. I love big sunglasses on me personally. So I know the trend right now are like smaller sunglasses, cute shaped sunglasses. So here are some Harry Potter style sunnies. These are pretty darn cute. Look at these here. I mean, these are no joke. Look, they're like, got these inside like spring hinges on the outside, little detail right here, and these spectacles, I'd like to call them spectacles, are no joke. Okay, let's see if these look good on me. Okay, you have to tell me your opinion because I really don't know. I've never ever worn sunglasses like these before. These remind me of Harry Potter. These remind me of the Beatles, which, hey, it's not bad to be reminded of the Beatles, but I don't know, I feel like they don't look bad. They're definitely different. I like how the light hits it and you kind of have a little bit of a mirror effect. Pretty cute. I would never buy these for myself, but I actually like the way they look. I know for a fact my husband will hate them on me. the way it is. Okay, so this next pair are pretty darn cute. Again, I would never buy these for myself. I have seen this around on a couple people. They're white, rimmed, very like old school, old Hollywood sunnies. Oh my gosh, my lashes are too long for these puppies. Oh look, these are pretty cool. I like that they're white. Against my tan skin, it really pops. The lenses have this gold reflection. I like it. What do you guys think? Next, I have, oh, it's a tanning mitt. It says, oh, I guess there's tanner hair? Of course there has to be. Okay, here we go. So it's Vita Liberata, and it is Advanced Organic Body Blur. It's HD Skin Finish. Here is the tanning mitt, and I have to just be honest. I have never tanned in my life. I have never used self-tanner because, hello, like, this is my skin color all year round. I am always tan, always tan. This is the skin color my mama and daddy gave me, so this is a really sweet, sweet gift to receive, but I will most likely be gifting it. If you guys use this product here, Body Blur, let me know if I should keep it, if it would look good on my skin tone anyways. Give me like that, you know, vacation glow even though I'm tan. Let me know if you're my skin color and you still do self-tanner and how that works out, because I've never ever done it. All right, so next up, oh, I didn't know this was in here. I would have eaten this already. It's a Pulsin raw chocolate brownie, sweetened by nature, and it's a salted caramel flavor. Ooh, gluten-free, dairy-free, soya-free, and vegan. Amazing. So I have a new video coming up for you guys. My husband and I are doing the Arbonne 30 Days to Healthy Living, and it's a detox program. We're on today's day 6, and so we have cut out so many bad things, and so I like to see snacks like these because that's basically the choices that we are making right now for the next 30 days. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post a video. And if you're looking to learn more about the 30 days of Arbonne Food Challenge, it's a detox program, 30 Days to Healthy Living, I'm gonna have that coming up very, very soon. I would like to do weekly updates for that whole food day challenge. So I'm going to be filming it probably tomorrow or Monday, which is going to be week 1. All right, moving on. So here I have this Gel Logic nail polish, no UV needed. Look at how pretty this color is. Honestly, perfect for summer. I'll have to try this on my daughter because I know she'll love this color as well. All right, next is, oh, look how cute. It says Cali Girl. I'm pretty sure that this and this come together, and it's one of those pop-up things for your phone, like a pop-up holder. That's awesome. All right, so ooh, now I understand. So here is the Cali Girl Cleanse. This is to purify and rejuvenate your body, eliminate excess fluid and toxins, promote digestive regularity, and increase nutrient absorption. It decreases bloating. So these are vegan capsules. I'm actually gonna wait on taking these because I'm doing the 30-day detox challenge already. Once I detox my body, find out what I can and can't eat, how I'm feeling, then I'll probably dive into this as soon as the 30 days is up. Okay, oh look, here's a card from Nubyen. Gotta open this up. Oh, it says, just a small token to say how much we appreciate you. Thank you for coming. That is really sweet. I love personalized notes like this when you're gifting stuff away. It's just a nice touch. So here is Bird and Blend Tea Company, spreading happiness and reimagining tea. 1 cupful of happiness. This is peppermint, Chinese green tea, lime leaves, lime peel, and lemongrass. Delicious. Okay, what is this here? Pretty Woman nail polish. Is there, oh, it's probably this and this go together. So these polishes are 10-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, all that stuff, vegan. If you want to look up their information, follow them on their social media. All right, going on. Okay, here, so here's a business card for Cali Girl Cleanse. If you want to look up some information from them, there is their website right there. And then also here I have a Vimondo chia shots. I actually really like chia. I've been adding it to my smoothies, and I've been recently making some more chia puddings. So easy to make, and it's so good for you. Here I have a Bananito. It's a solar dried banana bar, and it's chocolate, dark chocolate dipped. It's high in fiber. It's by Mighty Bee. Look how cute this is. I really don't know what to expect, but that picture right there actually looks quite delicious. Lastly is this. Here is a bag from Nubyen. It says Beauty Through Nature, Beauty Style Plus Love. Here is a little promo card. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I did a review on their Second Skin Activewear. I love the prints that they have available. They're so comfortable. I'll put that link to the video down below. It's a really, really nice quality activewear. Oh, look at this. Another tea blend here. It's the same one. It's cute. It's called a Mohiti. And then, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so in here are two of their products right here, which I already know what they are. These are their tribal eyelashes that they just launched not too long ago. Look how stunning they are. So wispy, great for day, great for night. I love these lashes, and I still have my original pair that I've worn multiple times, and I'm not kidding. Every time I wear them, I get compliments. And so I have a video on how I apply my eyelashes using these eyelashes. I had no idea I was gonna get another pair in my swag bag, so I'm super excited about that. And that video is coming up real soon. I have it edited, ready to go. I just need to know when I'm gonna post it on my channel. So again, Nubyen Tribal Lashes. Here is their latest new lippy. It's called their Matte Lip Augmentation Gloss, and this is in the shade Canary. I've actually reviewed and swatched all four of their colors, and this color is absolutely gorgeous. This would look so beautiful on anyone. These plump up your lips without needles, and this stuff works, and it's matte. You can put a lip gloss over it, but it dries matte and it does not budge. You need to like seriously use coconut oil or some kind of oil to remove it. It's that good. Is that it? I feel like, oh, you know what? I did get one more thing I wanted to show you. They gave this to me right before I left. This is their Nude Lip Augmentation Gloss. This is the first lippy that they came out with, and it is in their limited edition packaging, which is black, which is super cute. I love how everything is just classic. So here is their Nude Lip Augmentation Gloss. I've reviewed this on my channel. This was the first product I ever reviewed from them. This stuff, I'm not wearing it right now, but it plumps your lips so nice. It is gorgeous. And if you don't want to, you know, go get needles and you just want to be able to have a pouty look, this stuff really works. I've tried a number of lip plumping products and nothing compares to this. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I certainly loved this swag bag. Stay tuned for my 10K giveaway. I keep saying this in every video because it is coming up. I just keep ordering more stuff. Like I'll lay everything out. I'm like, no, I need to add more. I need to add more makeup, more products, more like non-beauty products. So that is coming up, and I'm gonna have 3 winners for that. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.